Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox verification fail error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Roblox verification fail error, fail to download or apply critical settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then type here date and time. You will find here date and time settings. Click on this, scroll down under additional settings, you will find sync now. You have to just click on sync now option, then wait for some time. After completion of this, just restart your PC. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox verification fail error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.